What? Looking out for the race? Here it comes. That was exciting, but a little bit unfair, I know, because racing a 650 with a 310 is not a possible game. Obviously, they are both of different category, different stages bikes, I know that. और फिर भी मेरा गाड़ी ने बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. ऑलमोस्ट मैं जीतने वाला था, बट मुझे लगता है कि रोड ख़त्म हो गया. ये सुनने के बाद निंजा वाले मेरे को फोड़ेंगे और कुछ नहीं. वैसे both are good bikes in performance. The next video I will be doing on the 650 Ninja 650 review. I will be doing that video, so stay tuned, stay with me for that video. By the way, we are on to Jawhar right now. There is a waterfall named as dabhosa. बोलते हैं कि that waterfall never stops falling, ऐसा बोला जाता है. By the way, the person in the front is Dr. Sushant, my friend, orthopedician surgeon. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Your support is very helpful for me. So the story continues.
You know me the best, you know my worst. See me hurt, but you don't judge. That right there is the scariest feeling. Opening and closing up again. I've been hurt, so I don't trust. Now here we are staring at the ceiling. I've said those words before, but it was a lie. And you deserve to hear them 1,000 times. If all it is to say that is, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say that is, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space? It's like I'm whole again. Isn't that a sign? I should speak my mind. I've said those words before, but it was a lie. You deserve to hear them 1,000 times. If all it is to say that, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say that, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space? If all it is to say that is, why is it so hard to say? When I close my eyes, it's you there in my mind. When I close my eyes, if all it is say letters, why is it so hard to say? If all it is say letters, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space? If all it is to say letters, why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say letters.